Stage, Ross Wilson leading the competition, Michael Teuber, followed by Billy Lister at the top three, and Massini from Italy in fourth position.
So now from Netherlands we have Arnold NIJHUIS, and his opponent in this qualification heat number 5 is ZHANGYU from China.
So here is the world champion, the world record holder. This will be a very interesting heat indeed. We've just seen a Paralympic record set, and can ZHANGYU set a time here and set the tone for the second session of today?
Well, we've already seen the Paralympic record toppled, so the standard is very high.
So ZHANGYU, the world champion, resides in Hangzhou, a beautiful part of the world, beautiful part of China. 28 years of age, and he may well be riding into the peak of his career in the next few years, and clearly already he's had some success. He's had medals in London on both the track and the road cycling, and obviously had a fantastic performance earlier this year in Montechiari in Italy at the World Championships. Looking very comfortable. It's a very easy style on his bicycle.
So 2 laps completed, the 500-metre mark, and at this stage, ZHANGYU is the quickest.
Paralympic gold medal when he won the 1 kilometre time trial in the Paralympics in London at 2012.
So ZHANGYU, a gold and a silver in London 4 years ago. He'll be on the hunt for a medal again. So NIJHUIS sitting in second position at the early stage of this competition in the overall leaderboard. So looking for a 1 to 4 finish to be racing off for the medals, but a 1-2 finish to race off for gold tonight.
So far is looking like a great performance. ZHANGYU 1:16.5.99. This is inside Paralympic record pace.
ZHANGYU vai acelerando, ele já está dentro do recorde parcialmente aí na passagem, ele vai com a liderança nessas passagens. A gente
So at this point, it's Ross Wilson of Canada, 3:53.666, the time that they're hunting for. And it'll be interesting to see what the approach is here from ZHANGYU, because we know he's so capable with the world record. Does he try and really push that time of 3:53.666 to make a statement, or does he conserve energy knowing full well that he's got a real buffer between, at this stage, first and third? I suppose trying to get into the top 2, you really have to give it all you've got.
Well, that's right. I mean, you don't want to ease off only to find that you've slipped into third or fourth position to be riding off for the bronze medal, as the reigning world champion ZHANGYU would be hoping to be in the gold medal ride-off in the second session of day 2 of these games.
Well, we get a really good idea here at the 2,000-metre mark. So comparing it to the earlier time of Wilson's. Wilson's time at the 2,000-metre mark was 2:35.674. ZHANGYU's is 2:31.784. So we could be seeing a world record here as we speak, and he's about to capture the Dutch rider. This could be a real statement made by ZHANGYU.
Look, it could indeed, but important to note that NIJHUIS is actually having a terrific ride himself, and he's currently sitting in third position, so he was only 9 seconds off ZHANGYU's pace, and it is enough. If he can maintain this, it's going to be enough to see him in the hunt for medals in the second session on day 2.
Yes, so he is really riding himself into medal contention as well, NIJHUIS, so he'd be aware of that. He'd be clocking that in his own mind, but now you can see the exertion of ZHANGYU. He is going for broke here. So could this be a world record? The world record is 3:51.961. He has 1 lap of the velodrome to go, 250 metres. Everyone in the velodrome knows this is a real possibility. As he goes down the back, is he starting to tire? really gasping in the big ones. So remember, 3:51.961. It's going to be close. I reckon he's going to do it. He has done it.
What a terrific performance from the world champion, who now has broken his own world record by about a second. And gee, doesn't that set the tone for the second session on day 2? And NIJHUIS, despite being overtaken